Today we will study the preparation of sulfuric acid. This is the instrumentation of contact process. It has four parts. The first part is sulfur burner, in which the sulfur or iron pyrite is oxidized to sulfur dioxide. The second part is purifying unit, and it is divided into six other parts. In the first part, the steam is blown through the gas so that we can remove the dust particles from sulfur dioxide. In the second part, the sulfur dioxide is passed from lead pipes and cooled up to 100 degrees centigrade. In the third part, the water is drawn through sulfur dioxide to remove the dust particles. In the fourth part, the gas is dried by using concentrated sulfuric acid, which acts as a dehydrating agent. The fifth part is arsenic purifier, in which iron hydroxide is used to purify the gas from arsenic particles. The sixth part is a testing box, in which the light is irradiated from the gas to know whether the dust particles are being fully removed or still left in the gas. The third major part is contact chamber, in which the sulfur dioxide is oxidized to sulfur trioxide by using vanadium pentoxide as a catalyst, and the temperature range is 400 to 500 degrees centigrade. The name of the catalyst and the temperature range is very important from the exam point of view, so you have to memorize it. The fourth major part is absorption tower, in which the sulfur trioxide is dissolved in 98% sulfuric acid to form pyrosulfuric acid, which is also called oleum, having the formula H2S2O7. Then the oleum is diluted with water to obtain the desired concentration of sulfuric acid. This is all about the contact process. For this type of more informative videos about chemistry, do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.